Can't find your Telegram files in the file manager because the folder isn't showing up? Don't worry. You're not alone if you're facing this issue. In this video, I'll show you a simple and quick fix to make your Telegram folder appear in the file manager again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Ensure Save to Gallery is enabled. First, go to the Telegram app, then tap the hamburger icon in the top left corner. In the Settings menu, tap on Data and Storage. After that, turn on all the options under Save to Gallery, which include private chats, groups, channel. And don't forget to turn on when using mobile data or when connected to Wi-Fi to be downloaded as you prefer. Solution 2. Check the Telegram app permission. Tap and hold the Telegram app, then hit the info icon from the pop-up. After that, go to Permissions. Now ensure that all the permissions are allowed, including photos and video. Solution 3. Update the Telegram app. Go to Play Store and search the Telegram app. Then check if there is any available update for Telegram. Now update the latest Telegram app. Solution 4. Clear Telegram cache and data. Go to your phone settings, scroll down, then tap Apps. Scroll down and find Telegram. After that, tap Telegram. Now hit Storage. Then press Clear Data. Next, tap Clear Cache. And tap Clear Cache again from the pop-up. These advanced steps will help you fix the Telegram folder not showing issue in the file manager on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.